In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a shortened link for any type of file using Bitly and Google Drive. This is a very convenient way to share files without worrying about those long and cumbersome URLs. By the end of this video, you'll have a neat and concise link ready to go. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Google Drive. Navigate to your homepage where you'll be able to see all your files and folders. Once you're there, look through your files and select the one you want to share. This could be anything from a document, a spreadsheet, or even a large video file. Just make sure it's the right file. Once you've selected your file, the next step is to ensure that the sharing settings are properly configured. Click on the Share button, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the window, represented by an icon of a person with a plus sign. This will open up the Sharing Settings dialog box. Now by default, files are typically set to restricted, meaning only specific people you invite can access the file. To share it more widely, click on the Restricted drop-down. From the menu that appears, choose anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to view your file, so be sure you're comfortable with this level of access. After setting the permissions, your next step is to copy the file link. You can do this by clicking the button labelled Copy Link. With the link now copied to your clipboard, you are ready to head over to the link shortening stage. Now open your web browser and search for tinyURL. This is a popular online tool for shortening URLs that are easy to use and reliable. Once you're on the tinyURL homepage, you'll see a text box where you can paste the link you copied from Google Drive. Go ahead and paste the link there. After pasting the link, you also have the option to create a custom alias. This means you can personalize the link name, which is especially useful if you're planning to share it widely or want it to look professional. Simply type your desired alias in the provided field. Keep in mind that the alias must be unique, so if it's already taken, you might need to get creative with your naming. With your link pasted and alias set, it's time to click on Shorten URL. This will generate your new concise link, which is easier to share and far less cumbersome than the original. You can now copy this new link and share it in emails, on social media, or whatever platform you prefer. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create shortened links for your Google Drive files using Bitly. This method is not only quick and efficient, but also ensures that the links you share are easy to handle and look professional. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.